Friends, welcome in our PS Math classes. Students, I am going to teach for class 10 students topic linear equation in two variables. In previous class, I had taught substitution method, comparing method, and elimination method. Today I am students going to teach cross multiplication method. Dear students, as you know that a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. It is the structure of the linear equation of two variables. Students, now I am derive the formula of the cross multiplication method. How can derive formula for the solving cross multiplication method? In book has been given in other way, but I am giving this formula by a trick method. So students, listen to me carefully. Here students, I have written b1. b1 means coefficient of y in first equation. b1, b2 is the coefficient of the here, c1 is the coefficient of the first equation, and c2 is the constant term of the second equation. a1 is the coefficient of x in first equation, and a2 is the coefficient of x in second equation, and b1 here b1 is the coefficient of y in first equation, and b2 is the coefficient of y in second equation. Students, at first you have to write b1 b2 c1 c2 a1 a2 b1 b2. It is all are given the coefficient. At first you have to students, how can start such as a cyclic method b c a. From you have to start from b and you have to rotate in this way. You have to rotate in this way in cyclic term. Student, at first you have to start b. It means you have to write b1 b2. You have to go c c1 c2. Now you have to a1 a2. Now you have to go b, then you have to write b1 b2. स्टूडेंट्स, कहने का मतलब ये है कि हमको स्टार्ट करना है बी से स्टार्ट करना है, बी से स्टार्ट करना है और इस जैसे रे बताया हुआ उसी हिसाब से आपको रोटेट करना है. तो हमने b1 b2 c1 c2 a1 a2 b1 b2 ये लिख लिया. अब जो है हम इसको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड का जो है फॉर्मूला ड्राइव कर रहे हैं. ये दोनों इसको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है, इस तरह से क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है. हियर स्टूडेंट्स, x बटे b1 इंटू c2 माइनस b2 इंटू c1. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, y बटे c1 इंटू a2 माइनस c2 इंटू a1 इक्वल टू 1y a1 b2 minus a2 b1. It is the formula of the cross multiplication method. Now students, you can understand. Have you any problem? If you have any problem, you can ask to me in other times also, and you can say that here students, I am solving a question for this formula. Then you have to solve this chapter. From exercise 3C, I am solving a questions. A student, question number 1 has been given x plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. x plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. First equation. And 2x minus 3y minus 12 equal to 0. it is the first question of exercise 3. Your students, I had said to you, at first you had to write B1, B2, C1, C2, A1, A2, B1, B2. Same time, I have written the coefficient of this formula. B1, B2, 2 minus 3, 1 minus 12. Now 1 and 2, and the coefficient 2 and minus 3. I have written that. Now students, you can write this formula, but I have not written in this here. You can write, and in this way you have can x bate 2 into minus 12 equal to minus 24, minus 3 into 1 plus 3 equal to, now 1 into 2 equal to 2, minus 12 into 1 plus 12, now equal to 1 into minus 3, minus symbol, 2 into 2 minus 4. Now students, x I have calculated xy minus 21, xy minus 21 equal to y bate 14 equal to 1 bate minus 7. Now students, we have to compare each variable to constant term. We have to compare each variable to constant term. So I had written x bate minus 21 equal to 1 bate minus 7. Now students, I have calculated x, minus 7 into x, minus 7 into x, minus 7x equal to minus 21. I have found x equal to 3. In same way, you have to compare y by 14 equal to 1y minus 7. So y by 14 equal to 1y minus 7. Now students, cross multiplication, minus 7y equal to 14 and minus 7y equal to 14 and y equal to minus 14y minus 7 is, so y equal to minus 2. So students, x equal to 3 and y equal to minus 2. Students, you can solve all the chapters in same way. In the same way, you can solve exercise 3C. Same way, dear students, I am saying to you, suggesting to you, subscribe my videos and share to other students, because it is the most important chapter of the linear equation of two variables. In the board exams, always asked a question to solve a linear equation of two variables by cross multiplication method. So students, it is the most important chapter in linear equation of two variables. Thank you students. Thanks.